What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I thought, why not come out here today? It's been raining the last couple days and I haven't been able to come outside, and since HighGearMx loaned me or gave me the Pro Circuit pop that I put on my bike in the last few videos, I'm sure you saw it like 2 videos before this one, he came over, brought his new HighGearMx250, and we went to Cape Park and rode, and he gave me a new Pro Circuit pop. We're going to do a sound test today for you guys, test the stock pop. Got the stock pop right here. Going to put it back on, do a stock sound test first. I'm wondering where I've been at for the last week or so. Some of you guys have been saying, have I quit YouTube? Nope, just been waiting on this puppy right here. Thought I'd purchase this Canon Rebel T6i, pretty expensive camera, and I've really been wanting to purchase a camera for vlogging and not just using my phone all the time. Got the Rode mic, and on top, pretty expensive mic also. So if you can tell the difference in quality and sound quality, let me know. Can't wait to, record more on this, go to the track, hit Cape Park. I really been looking forward to go to the track. But yeah, right here, guys, is the stock. Looks like it's falling apart. The bottom looks like it's lost a few bolts. It's about to slide right apart, but packing's all loose. But yeah, we're gonna throw this back on. If you guys saw that short clip at the beginning of the video, look at the sprocket, no teeth on that baby. Got a sprocket right here from the old Yz250. Hopefully that sprocket will fit. Just got to take the sprocket guard off and take it off, line it up, and see if it will fit. Teeth are the same, so hopefully the shaft is the same, and this will just be able to slide on. Because if not, I'll have to order one, because I feel it skipping around, popping around when I give it some gas. So that ain't good. Gonna try to change this out also after we do the sound test. Got a few problems to fix. Also got to get an O-ring. I'm pretty sure I have an O-ring inside in a gasket kit that I can put in the pop, because there's a little leak right there, as you guys see, and got to get that fixed. I can hear a little air coming out of it when I kick it over. I don't know if it's coming from there. I'm pretty sure it is, and the oil leak, so I got to get that fixed. And might pick up an air filter. I'll probably just do the rebuild. If you guys think I should do a rebuild on the Yz250, since I already got a few things that I got to replace on the bike, and been wanting to do a rebuild on it, wanted to make it my bike, a custom bike, HighGearMx bike, want to put my logos and try to put my logo and my name and all that on the bike, and just make it, my bike. It's got the other person's stickers on it, and whoever had it before cut their names off, and the stickers just don't look too good. So when I get the parts that I need to fix on the bike, I'll probably just go ahead and pick up a lot of extra stuff for the rebuild and continue that like I did on the Yz250. If you guys saw that video, check it out. It's been a few months, probably like 5 months ago, since I had the Yz250 and I did a build on that. More than half of you guys liked it. Some of you guys think my rebuild was trash. But yeah, guys, if you think I should do a rebuild on this bike, leave a comment down below. Hit the like button, and lets me know that you guys really enjoy the videos. And make sure you turn on notifications, guys, if you haven't turned on notifications yet. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, because content's about to get lit. Circuit off, about to put the stock one on real quick and then crank it up. Got to get it warmed up so I can actually riv it up and get the full sound test out of it. And with this microphone that I got on this camera, should pick up the sound of the pops pretty good, so we should be able to tell a little bit difference, if there are even a difference. Size comparison of the stock and the Pro Circuit, pretty big difference in size. Got the Pro Circuit on now, so let's set the camera up and go ahead and start it up. But yeah, that was it, guys. I could tell a slight difference in the Pro Circuit 304 silencer. Has a little bit more like scream to it, a little bit more pop to it than the stock, which stock, Got something to say, little guy? Or a little girl? Or puppy? Oh, okay. See you later. Hey, no, not in my dang yard. What the heck you think you're doing? Get out of here. Right where I'm working. What the heck? This is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button. Got all the parts and stuff right here. Got to get it cleaned up before it starts pouring down rain. I hear thunder and it's starting to get dark. So I got to get everything cleaned up, get the bike and everything put up for tomorrow, because I plan on coming out here tomorrow and doing something with you guys. Got the new camera, and the new camera, I don't know, it just motivated me. Now I feel like I need to come out here, make a video every day for you guys. So this month, you might see a video every day this month, so be looking forward to it. Camera's out of focus, there we go. So be looking forward to the videos coming soon. They're going to be fun. I can't wait to go to the track with Roost and hit the Cape Park some more with Roost. As you saw, his RM250 and also the pop that he gave me, the Pro Circuit 304. You tore me up with those rocks. What? Look at that. My knee. I'm out of gas. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wait. Bro, why is it bogging? Like it won't. She's blown. No, I'm out of gas. I'm out of gas. Yeah. Hey, you happen to have some extra 2-stroke gas? You don't? Oh, I see. There you go.
Mine's gonna be pushing it all the way.
I don't know about pushing it either. Still has one bolt, huh? Or they all snapped?
They all snapped.
Well, I guess we're gonna be pushing together.
What?